Good morning, everyone. Welcome to MOOC Techie. In today's session, we are going to study an important topic in dairy technology called milk collection and transportation. This topic explains how milk is safely collected from farms and transported to dairy plants while maintaining quality. To begin with, let us understand how milk collection takes place. Milk is first obtained at the farm level, where animals are milked and milk is stored in cans. This milk is then brought together during bulk collection. Milk from different farmers is pooled using milk cans. After collection, milk is taken to a collection center. At this stage, cooling tanks are used to reduce milk temperature. Thus, the basic flow followed is farm to collection and then cooling. What do you think is the key factor involved in milk collection that is heavily influenced by time? Understanding the importance of milk collection is essential. Freshness is the first key factor. Proper collection ensures that milk remains fresh and safe. Fair pricing is another important aspect. Organized collection systems help farmers receive a fair price for their milk. Traceability plays a role in quality control. Collected milk can be traced back to its source if quality issues arise. Pooling of milk helps achieve economies of scale. This makes processing and transportation more efficient. After collection, milk transportation becomes the next critical step. Milk is first stored in chilled tanks at the collection center. This helps slow down bacterial growth. This chilled milk is then transported using tankers. These tankers carry milk to the dairy processing plant. Thus, the transportation flow is chilled storage to tanker and finally to the dairy plant. Proper milk transportation is necessary for several reasons. Safety is the primary concern. Correct transportation protects consumer health. Maintaining quality is equally important. Milk freshness must be preserved during movement. Transportation must follow regulatory standards. This ensures compliance with food safety laws. Efficiency also matters. Cost-effective delivery helps reduce losses and improves profitability. Milk spoilage can occur if collection and transport are not handled properly. High temperature increases bacterial growth. Warm conditions accelerate spoilage. Delay in time allows microorganisms to multiply. Longer holding time increases risk. Contamination introduces spoilage organisms. Poor hygiene worsens milk quality. These factors together lead to milk spoilage. Heat, time, and contamination form a cause and effect chain. Several factors affect milk quality during transportation. Temperature control is the most critical factor. Milk must be kept at low temperature. Time should be minimized. Shorter transport duration helps maintain quality. Agitation during transport should be gentle. Excessive shaking damages milk structure. Hygiene must be strictly maintained. Clean containers prevent contamination. The milk collection and transportation system has clear objectives. Rapid cooling is essential to preserve quality. Lower temperature slows bacterial growth. Minimal handling reduces contamination risk. Traceability supports quality assurance. Milk movement can be tracked and monitored. The system must be cost-effective as well. Economic efficiency is important for sustainability. There is a strong link between collection, transport, and milk quality. Proper collection ensures clean raw milk. Safe transport maintains milk condition. Timely processing prevents quality deterioration. Delays reduce milk value. When all these steps are followed correctly, high-quality milk reaches consumers. This slide presents a visual summary of the entire system. Milk flows from farm milking to collection and cooling. It is then transported using insulated tankers. Finally, milk reaches the dairy plant for processing. This integrated system ensures quality from farm to plant. Finally, we come to the end of this session. Milk collection and transportation play a vital role in maintaining milk quality and safety. Thank you for learning with MOOC Techie. Keep learning and keep improving.